Good day. I'm James Dominic Ong, with me are my partners Seb Nabor and Elijah Lachika of GrabLenke, an online delivery service for wet market products. So, what's so special about the online delivery industry? For the past few years, it has been observed that there have been a rising trend towards a growing online delivery industry. May it be for the purpose of food or parcel deliveries, society has openly welcomed the proliferative developments of brands that aim to provide effortless access to their favorite products and services. In 2018 alone, the global industry for online food delivery services was conservatively valued at $83 billion, a mere fraction of the projected $200 billion valuation by year 2025. It was also stated in the Google and Temasek's Economy C report back in 2019 that there are a lot of opportunities in the country for online shopping sites to flourish, as the Philippines' internet economy in consumer goods is expected to quadruple from $3 billion in 2019 to $12 billion by 2025, having an estimated population of 53.2 million online Filipino shoppers. Moreover, positive indication of this projection quickly arose as the coronavirus escalated. With strict quarantine restrictions in place, mobility opportunities were substantially depleted, which led to the rapid breakthrough of the aforementioned transition towards online shopping. According to the estimate of the Global Agricultural Information Network, online food purchases made by Filipino households during the pandemic is expected to drive the country's food retail sales to a record high of $60 billion. They're also expecting a 30% shift towards online food shopping. However, the future of the industry is by no means limited to the consequences of the pandemic. Its booming growth is mainly supported by these prevailing trends.
The emerging trend for an on the go lifestyle shifted consumer demands towards services that adapt to their time. Lazada Philippines co founder Inang Balsi has specified that online shopping makes Filipinos more efficient in buying their daily needs as they avoid losing time to heavy traffic and continue to be more productive. This is then followed by the movement for the increasing usage of mobile applications. With the aforementioned population of online shoppers, the possibilities for growth became continuous as the avenues for innovations and enhanced online connectivity enabled businesses to further capitalize on such a dynamic environment. From having to travel through traffic just to shop in crowded supermarkets, grocery shopping with the support of those foregoing trends can now be done with just a few taps on a mobile phone. Given such trends, the industry's rapid development has brought about increasing interest from new players entering the market. With the significantly increasing number of delivery services, Metromart, Landers.ph, Pushcart.ph, and Savvies.ph have similarly realized the market opportunity to provide consumers the service for online grocery deliveries, similar to that of what Lenke is trying to advance.
As it stands today, Lenk is an online grocery service that caters to the needs for wet market products through its online website, lenka.ph. From the selection of indigenous fishes, different cuts of meats, to the sale of random cooking staples, Lenka had provided consumers with not just a catalog of products, but also the comprehensive experience and nostalgia of shopping in wet markets. Having just been started in the pandemic, Lenk advances its service with the promise and the feature of safety and convenience among its consumers as it provides households a much more secure means to acquire their grocery needs. As compared to those aforementioned brands within the online grocery industry, the success of Lenk is highlighted by its vast variety of the freshest products, given its sole connection to wet markets. With 59% of those survey respondents presenting their persistent inclination for wet market as one of their top options for their grocery needs, Lenka sees such as an opportunity to pursue their service for fresh produce, which are arguably provided best by wet markets since products are conveniently sourced from local farmers day by day. Explained by a study in China, wet markets are the most convenient channel for accessing the best kind of freshness. Freshness represents the most desired food quality, and it is for that reason that consumers stated preferences for locally produced food found in wet markets. Beyond such, Lenkes then provided the opportunity to pioneer the overlooked market for online wet market groceries and even develop its reach with the adopting company's network. With Grab, Lenke is enabled to include itself with its wider market reach, innovative networks, and overall recognition.
With marketing approaches similar to those employed by Knorr, Lucky Me, Pancit Canton, and UFC Ketchup in mind, the group envisions Lenke's ideal consumer to be the image of a well-bonded Filipino household. Specifically speaking, the matriarchal figure of the family that lacks the needed time to do the arduous chore of grocery shopping. This proposed persona specifically presents an expansion of the brand's market towards families belonging to social classes A, B, and broad C, seeking for a cheaper, healthier, and a much efficient way of preparing home cooked meals so as to preserve their time for family, work, or other occupations. Such a target market was supported by the conducted survey as the data suggests that mothers are the most likely family member in charge of buying groceries at 67.4%, followed by fathers at 15.1%. With such an undifferentiated approach, Lenka shall be able to capitalize on Grab's network of financially able households. As the data suggests, 86% of Grab users belong to the middle to high social classes, earning at least a household income of 25,000 pesos, and not just prioritizing Lenka's current niche appeal for health-conscious consumers. Understanding this, Lenka's marketing plan has three main objectives. First, to expand Lenka's market share within the online grocery industry. Second, establish market leadership. And third, to promote the freshness and quality of the products being delivered from wet markets. Considering this, the first two objectives are tied to the utilization of Grab's resources and established market presence to strengthen Lenka's foundation within the industry. The third goal of promoting freshness of groceries being delivered capitalizes on the support local trend to aid farmers, fishermen, and market vendors while offering quality goods to these consumers, which leads to our selling proposition. To the financially capable mothers of the standard Filipino household, Lenka offers a one-stop shop of fresh, high-quality produce bought directly from market vendors, providing a safe, effortless, traditional wet market experience with Grab. The rationale behind Lenka's proposition is to express our brand's intent to implement an undifferentiated marketing approach, capitalizing on Grab's network to serve our aforementioned target market within the online grocery industry. While considering the issues brought by the pandemic, our proposed selling proposition connects us to our consumers, as Lenka offers a timely avenue to meet their needs to purchase fresh produce from select wet markets from the safety of their homes. Captured further with the planned optimization of several additional features and programs, the improvement of its service would essentially differentiate Lenka's productivity and quality to the market, granting it a marketing edge against close competitors.
With the help of Grab, we are now here to present Grab Lenke. Grab Lenke is a service delivery that caters to the demands for wet market products as what Lenke formerly provided in its platform. However, Grab's adoption shall present a whole new set of features for their service. As seen on the mobile phone illustration here, Lenka shall be integrated as one of Grab's innovative services in its comprehensive application, thus providing consumer greater benefits. For one, consumers are given the promise of accessibility and ease with shopping for their grocery needs as compared to those brands that only offer their services through an internet website. Grab's application even furthers consumer capabilities to order through different modes of payment and earn various rewards while still having the assurances from a well-reputed company. One specific inclusion, however, shall be the feature that lets consumers pick out a specific partnered wet market stall. Instead of just letting consumers pick out their products and wait for their orders, the team intends to introduce a feature similar to those from GrabFood and GrabMart. Given that punctuality was the third consideration behind freshness and price in the given survey, this feature shall advance their experience by providing them the opportunity to choose a closer shop or a market that has been proven to meet their expectations. Furthermore, another venture that is to be taken for the company is the improvement of Lenke's service quality. Not that there was any data to support a substandard service from Lenke, the network of Grab just provides in-depth programs that shall be incorporated with Lenke's staff. This includes Grab's program that incentivizes drivers, additional learning in Grab Academy, financially rewards their service with their GEM systems, and also better driver skills with the compulsory training for new Grab drivers. This shall not only support the drivers with the improvement of their service, but such programs shall also improve consumers' outlook of Lenke as it shall adapt with Grab's greater reputation. Moving on to price, the group sees a competition-based pricing as its primary approach moving forward. Having a larger markup before the acquisition of Grab, Lenke was seen to be losing to its competitors' product pricing, and since price was the second consideration among consumers, a change in pricing became a priority for the brand's strategies. To start, Grab Lenke intends to let wet market merchants dictate their prices similar to the systems of GrabFood and GrabMart. This is behind the contract for Grab to take a percentage of every transaction as part of their commission, freeing Grab from the efforts of adding product markups themselves. Considering that Grab Lenke merchants are able to provide comparable prices for its products, the company shall then employ a strategy involving discounts with the pricing of its delivery fees, which shall further match the pricing of its competitors. And even this shall even entice consumers to buy at larger quantities. So instead of Lenke's higher markups and its unique promise for free deliveries, Grab Lenke shall match its competitors' pricing, limiting it to around 100 to 200 pesos while still providing greater benefits through the development of Grab's application and its overall reputation, or otherwise known as a more for same proposition.
Now, with Lenke's current distribution strategy, it can be seen that Lenke only has its premature website to use, which was only created through a basic e-commerce software named Shopify and makes it limited in its features. This is understandable since Lenke is just a startup business. And if we look at Lenke's current market presence, it is actually not bad because based on the number of followers they have on their Facebook page, their market already comprises at least 9,500 customers. However, through its upstream partnership with Grab, Lenke can rapidly accelerate the development of its distribution platform. With the incorporation of its services to Grab's mobile application, their market reach instantly expands to the size of Grab's large market, which is substantially larger than Lenke's main competitors. It should also be taken note of that Lenke's platform would also dramatically improve, which can be seen in its transition, coming from a premature website with limited attributes to an established mobile application that is known for its user-friendly features. In addition, once Grab Lenke is introduced in all of Grab's platforms, Lenke's market visibility may potentially enlarge from 9,500 to the size of Grab's followers of almost 7 million people in Facebook alone. The opportunity of being recognized by much more matriarchal figures through Grab's enormous number of users would cause the immediate growth of Lenke's services. Now, moving on to Grab Lenke's promotional strategy. Now, you may have noticed that you have been hearing the word freshness more than a couple of times already in this presentation. And the reason why is that we want to imprint it in your minds that whenever you hear freshness, you instantly remember Grab Lenke. We want to emphasize that the backbone of Grab Lenke's service is the freshness of the products being delivered from wet markets. And this is due to the fact that freshness ended up in our survey as the factor that was given with the highest consideration for consumers when they buy groceries online. With this, Grab Lenke aims to propagate its image of freshness by utilizing Grab's renowned marketing infrastructure. Through Grab's sizable social media platforms, Grab Lenke would start by posting online advertisements that would introduce Grab's new service and inform about its features to their existing sizable market. These advertisements would be in the form of posters and Jollibee-esque videos. Just like the sentimental Jollibee commercials, these video advertisements would touch upon the nostalgia of physical shopping and connect it with Grab Lenke's image of freshness and overall services. Subsequently, Grab Lenke would also advise its customers of its own traditional and unique sales promotions. Posting Grab's usual discount coupons would incentivize customers just as usual to try the new service, while the voucher codes that are related to the current trends like this one in your screen would generate interest among the majority of the market. And lastly, Grab Lenke would be forming partnerships with local government units, especially in Metro Manila, to ask for assistance in cooperating with local merchants so as to publicly support these merchants and their partnered farmers.
Now let me ask you a question. Why should you use GrabLenke? That's because GrabLenke offers fresh premium quality goods at an affordable price. Our service guarantees to meet your needs on your terms by providing a reliable and secure partner amidst any crisis. Shopping for quality from the comfort of your home has never been easier with the transition and optimization of Lenke's feature on Grab's mobile application. Through the planned innovations in store for new and old users alike, consumers will be given the opportunity to choose the best and closest wet market convenient to them, while broadening the payment methods to allow easier and hassle-free transactions. Consumers can expect our service quality and productivity to continuously improve, allowing them to get more for the same price as compared to anywhere else. With sales promotions to further incentivize Regular use of our service, GrabLenke will also help contribute towards supporting farmers, fishermen, and market vendors whose livelihoods were affected by the pandemic. Thus, GrabLenke offers fresh goods, quality service, convenience, and the flexibility to fit your needs while giving back to the community. We are GrabLenke, an avenue for you to grab freshness from the comfort of your homes. Thank you for listening.